it's Sam. So recently Mother's Day was here and my kids got me some super cute gifts, so I figured I would just share with you guys what my babies got for me for Mother's Day. So Jay is really cute. He just lets them pick whatever they want out. He doesn't put any input in. He just says, go ahead and pick some stuff out for mom. So he took them shopping and they just got to have free run at the store and pick whatever they wanted. So the very first thing, I got a bouquet of flowers. They were very beautiful. I got this gorgeous little mug. So this one was from Phoenix. He picked this out. It says best mama ever, which I thought was really sweet. And he said that it was perfect for my tea in the morning. And it has a little, you know, lid as well, which is really cool, so I can take it anywhere if I want to. And then he also got me this really cute little incense burner. So this one was from World Market, and this is great because it collects. The one I have right now, it doesn't collect all of the ashes and then it gets all over my table, so it was very thoughtful that he remembered that, and he got me this one to collect all of the ashes, and it looks like a little wooden boat, which is really cute. And then he got me some more incense. So I got the Frangipani Discover incense sticks and the Herbe de Provence incense sticks from World Market as well. These are only 99 cents. Like, they're so good. They smell so amazing if you like incense. And then Lily picked me out a mug. So she got me this little bunny one. So cute. It's got like little bunny rabbits. It's obviously an Easter mug, but she loves animals. So she knows I love animals too, so she got me that one. It's actually really good. It's like a really good mug. Lily picked me out this little notebook. It has little birds and flowers on it, and she knows that I love anything nature, any animals, birds, flowers. It's so cute. So she got me that. And then she also got me this lotus flower scented soap. I love that she picked me out like all very like pretty girly things, and then Phoenix got me very functional things because he picked me out a little massager. This was from World Market as well, and you can just like rub it on your legs or your back. So it's funny to see what boys pick out versus what girls. He got me a mug, incense, an incense boat that actually collects the ash, and then this little roller. And then they filled my bag with Milky Ways because they know I love Milky Ways. Okay, so Lily picked me out this little butterfly necklace. Isn't that so cute? It's rose gold, and then it has a sweet little butterfly, and I think it does have little, yeah, it's got a little cubic zirconia in it as well, which I thought was really cute. Just, it's like so sweet that she picked out rose gold, and she knows I like little sparkly things and little dainty things, so she got me that. Okay, so at school, Lily made me this cute little plaque, and it's so adorable, and it says best mom hands down. Get it? The handprint is down, and there's her little handprint, and then it says love Lily 2019, which is so cute. Isn't that so sweet and thoughtful? The teachers are always just like, teachers are amazing. I mean, they come up with the cutest things. It's this little bag, so it looks like a purse, and then you open it up and it has all these questions about me. Her answers made me laugh so hard. It says all about my mom, and it says my mom is happy when she I was laughing so hard when I read all these because it makes me sound like I'm so lazy and I just eat and sleep, but it was just so funny because it makes you think about like, why would she say that? But then I thought about it, so let me just read this one. It says, my mom is happy when she is eating, but when we're like eating dinner or like when we go and get ice cream, I'm always like, oh yes, this is so yummy. Oh my God, it's delicious. Oh, I love it so much. Especially like if we are getting ice cream or something and I have been really good and then I get ice cream and I'm like, oh, life is so good. So it makes sense that she would put my mom is happy when she's eating, because I make such a big deal about like, oh my God, this is so delicious, or oh my God, this is such good dinner. And so clearly that's what makes me happy. She said, my mom's favorite color is pink. My mom really likes to be with me and sleep. So what she meant was, I love to like snuggle with her, but then whenever I snuggle with her, she actually puts me to sleep. I don't know what it is, but like she just makes me fall asleep as soon as I'm like lying down and if we're watching a movie or if we're watching American Idol or something. If I'm snuggling her, I will sleep. So it sounds like my mom really likes to be with me and sleep, but what she was trying to say was I like to be with her and sleep. Like I like to sleep with her. But it just made me laugh because the first thing said I was eating, and then I really like to sleep, and I was like, dude, it sounds like I just nap and eat bonbons all day. It's so cute what kids say. And then the next one says, my mom always forgets to drink her tea, which is so true. I make it and then I forget to drink it. Then it says, what I really like about my mom is she gives good hugs. Like, how sweet is that? I was like so excited when I got all of these. And then it says, my favorite things to do with my mom are go to Olive Garden and go to the movies. I love it when my mom and I snuggle. So then that tied into the first one that made it sound like I just like to sleep. But I love snuggling with her. She's such a good snuggler. And then it says, how my mother looks. My mother's hair is blonde. She is as tall as a door. She weighs about 31 pounds. So sweet. My mom's eyes are blue and my mom looks best when she wears lipstick. And then she drew a picture of me. So that was the cutest little thing. Those are the type of gifts that I just love because it just shows what they think about you, and it's really adorable. And then she said, here's a picture of the things in my mom's purse: keys, wallet, booty wipes, and a phone. Happy Mother's Day, love, Lily. So this is probably my most favorite, is this, because it's just so cute and so funny. But yes, I love those type of gifts because they're meaningful and it's something that I can always look back on and remember. And then Phoenix made me this little thing. They didn't actually make anything, but they're a little bit older, so I feel like it's different for when they're a little bit bigger. They stopped making stuff in 2nd grade, I feel like. And then this one says, all about my mom. My mom's name is Sam. She is 33 years old. Mom and I like to play. Mom likes to say, good job, buddy, which I say all the time. My mom really loves the family. She likes to eat mac and cheese. She likes to drink orange juice. My mom's job is working on YouTube. If she had time, she would like to play with me more, which I thought was really sweet, but then it made me really sad. My mom is really good at her work, which I was like, dang, that's so sweet. What a lovely compliment. If I could go anywhere in the world with her, we'd go to Starbucks and the mall. So Lily likes to go to Olive Garden and the movies, and he likes to go to Starbucks and the mall. I love my mom because she is kind and true. True? Like, what? That is so cute, an 8-year-old to call their mom kind and true, which is like, I feel like such a sweet little compliment. And then it says, bye Phoenix, 5/18/19. So, oh, I'm sorry, 5/8/19. So those are my sweet little gifts for my babies, which I just absolutely love and I just cherish. And then all the little gifts that they got with Daddy as well. So I thought that that was really sweet. They gave me a very nice Mother's Day, and then we went to a really beautiful lunch. It was kind of like dinner at the Oceanic, and it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, if you guys are in Wilmington, it's such a great view. There's like a big long pier that you can go out on. You can sit outside. It was storming that day, so we couldn't, but we sat upstairs, and so you can see the whole entire ocean. Their key lime pie is amazing. I actually am currently doing a bet with Jay right now where I'm trying to go wheat free for a month. So far I'm fine. I mean, so far I'm like, I haven't done wheat, but like it's drugs. But it's not easy. But this was before, so I'm good. So I had key lime pie, which was amazing. And a lot of people think that you can't have key lime pie because I'm allergic to eggs, but for some reason, when eggs are like a minimal amount inside of a baked item or like the meringue, I'm okay because it's just a small amount. But if I have an egg, like if I ate one whole egg, then I would be sick. But it's okay if it's baked or like in a muffin or a cake or cookies, because I think it's such a small amount of egg that it doesn't bother me. But their key lime pie, if you like key lime pie, oh my goodness, their key lime pie is amazing. And then I had the fish tacos, and they were really yummy. So I'd highly recommend going there. Their french fries are also very delicious. There's a lot of seafood, so if you like seafood, then it's a great place to go. I don't personally like seafood, I just like fish, and that's it. Like actual, just boring old fish. So I got the fish tacos. But the kids' meals were really nice. They had like some pasta, and it was really good. So I'd highly recommend going there if you are in Wilmington and you want just a nice, lovely, very pretty, relaxing place to go. And it's not super expensive either. I was thinking the plates were going to be so expensive, but it wasn't. And the service was really, like, everyone was really nice as well. So highly recommend the Oceanic. But yes, that's what I got for Mother's Day. We spent it with my sister. We went to the pool. We went to a lovely dinner. Had a lovely Indian buffet the day before. And we just like had a great time. We went shopping, so it was just like a really nice, relaxing Mother's Day. And it was nice because I got to spend it with my sister, who is pregnant, and it's her first baby, so it's her first Mother's Day. And so it was really nice that I got to spend it with her. Mother's Day can be a little tough when you don't have a mom, because obviously you miss your mom. And we haven't had a mom for Mother's Day in, well, I was 14, so how old am I now? 33. Almost 20 years. Oh, wow. That makes me feel old. Almost 20 years. that I haven't had a Mother's Day with my mother. So it was really hard before I had kids, because like you're literally just like, it's like thrown in your face that you don't have a mom. But now that I have kids and I am a mom, it's really nice because then they celebrate me. And so that makes me feel less kind of like sad and lonely. So it's not as hard as it used to be, but it's always been really hard for my sister because while I'm being celebrated, she didn't have any children. So it was a very like lonely day for her, I feel like, especially when we weren't together. So it was really nice that this year, she's pregnant, so we were like, you know, we got her a gift as well and we celebrated her, and then of course we had the kids, and so it was really nice and we were all together, so it was very lovely. So I was very fortunate to be with my sister on Mother's Day this year, and I hope you guys all had a wonderful Mother's Day as well, whether you were with your mom or maybe you're celebrating her in heaven. It's really hard. It is a hard day for me because it just like, especially when you see pictures of people with their mom, that's where it gets me. That's where I feel like it makes me really sad, because I'm like, man, I wish that I could spoil my mom this day. I was never able to do that. I mean, obviously I did when I was a kid, but it's different when you have your own money and you're able to go and pick out your own stuff and take them somewhere. So I always wondered what it would be like to actually take my mom out for Mother's Day and like actually get to like spoil her as an adult. I mean, I don't know what that's like. So I've always been kind of jealous. Jealousy is one of those words that I feel like describes losing a parent so well, because you see other people or you speak to your friends about what they did with their mom, and it's like you don't feel a whole lot of emotion other than just kind of like jealousy and sadness. That I get jealous that those people get to spend it with their mom and I don't. That's for me what definitely used to get me the worst, was like just pure jealousy of like, oh, she gets to be with her mom and I don't. And it's not even like you're mad at that person, you're just like sad for yourself. Whereas now it makes it so nice because I have the kids and I have Jay, and they make it such a special day for me that I don't necessarily feel like that anymore. There are occasions for a split second where I'm like, oh, look how cute they are. But for the most part, I'm good. So there you guys go. I hope you guys liked my sweet little gifts from my babies. They're so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Thank you for all of the Mother's Day wishes, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.